In this video, I'm going to show you two things. One, I'm going to show you how to use Naira, Ghana cedis, Cameroon francs, Kenyan shillings, and other local currencies to buy USDT on XT Exchange P2P. And secondly, I'm going to show you how to get 2x your deposit when you make deposit on XT Exchange. So first off, all you have to do is to create an account on XT Exchange using the link in the description of this video. And once you are done with that, just log in and then you click on buy crypto. Then you are going to see various methods to click on P2P trading. And the next thing you want to do is to decide how much exactly you want to buy USDT with. To do that, just click on amount and then type your desired amount. It could be 5,000 Naira. You click on confirm and then you will see adverts in this particular range. Then you check out a credible trader, someone that has up to 90% credibility on this platform. So I'm going to click on buy and then I'm going to type the amount wherein I want to buy. After I've typed 5,000 Naira, the next thing I want to do is to find a trader who is credible by checking their percentage rating. So from 90% and above is cool. So I'm going to select this trader. I will click on buy, then I will type the amount, maybe 5,100. I'll click on buy. Then the details of the seller is going to be displayed. I will just copy the account number, then go to my mobile application. Make sure you cross check the name of the seller so you don't send to a wrong account, and make sure you send the exact amount. You can always chat with the seller. After you are done with the payment, just come back to the application and click on I have paid, confirm, and then you wait for a moment. And once the seller is able to confirm the transaction, then he or she is going to release the USDT into your account. I just got a notification that the USDT has been released into my account. So now let me just log in and check it out. You can see that the order has been completed. It is as simple as that. So always make sure anytime you want to trade on P2P platforms that you are using your own bank accounts to initiate payments and not third-party accounts, as this might result in you losing your funds. You don't have to pay with your spouse's accounts, you don't have to pay with your siblings' accounts, and you don't have to pay with your friends' accounts. Always make sure that your bank account name is the same thing with the name you use in verifying your account on any P2P platform. Now let me show you how to sell your USDT on XT Exchange P2P. This method is very simple and it is similar to how you buy on this platform. All you have to do is to click on buy crypto, select P2P trading, select sell, click here to input the amount you want to trade, and then make sure you look for a merchant with a good record from 90% and above. Enter the amount you want to trade, either by fiat or crypto. Select your preferred payment method, input your account details. So at the time of recording this video, I got to realize that this platform is displaying this in Chinese. All you have to do is to input the name of the bank, seconded by your account number. So the last option is your bank branch, which is not necessary. Once you've been able to add your payment method, the next thing you want to do is to click on sell. And here you can message the buyer by clicking on the message icon. After you've been able to place a sell order, you just have to wait for a few minutes, and once the buyer is able to pay you, then you can release the USDT and then you are good to go. And always make sure that for no reason should you release USDT except you have confirmed payment, logged into your mobile application, and see the money in your account before you go ahead and release your crypto assets to the buyer. So now let us talk about cashback. So cashback simply means how much exactly you are going to be getting as a bonus based on your trading volumes. So this ranges from $50 to $1,000. So if you trade with 50 USDT, you are going to be getting a cashback of 100%. That is, you are going to be getting another 50 USDT. And here is the condition. The condition is that you should be able to have an accumulative trading volume of $500 and above. And this is something you can achieve with just a few trades, maybe from 5 to 10 to 20 trades. So if you are trading with 100 USDT, you are going to be eligible to receive 100% cashback, which is also 100 USDT bonus. And for you to be eligible for this cashback, you have to have a trading volume of $1,000, and this is something you can achieve with just a few trades. If you are trading with $300, your expected cashback is 80%, which is $240, and you need a trading volume of $3,000. With a trading capital of $500, your expected cashback is going to be $400, which is also 80%, and you're expected to generate a trading volume of $5,000. With $1,000, your expected trading volume should be $10,000, and you are going to be getting 50% cashback, which is $500. If your trading capital is $2,000, your expected trading volume is supposed to be over $10,000, and your expected cashback is going to be 50%, which is $1,000. This is a limited time offer, and it is limited to just 100 people who uses my referral link to create an account on XT Exchange. And once we are able to have up to 100 people, you cannot participate again. And this particular offer is limited to only new users on XT Exchange. So this is your chance for you to grow your trading capital, and I'm going to list a couple of other terms and conditions that revolves around this particular cashback in the description of this video. So do well to take your time and go through it and then participate to grow your trading capital. We have a trading community, and you just have to pay a token to be a part of it, wherein we are going to be teaching you how to trade cryptocurrencies in case you are new to crypto trading, and we are also going to be giving you crypto trading signals for the next 5 months. I don't know when you are going to see this video, but if you get to see this video 5 months later, then you are already late. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any question, and if you are yet to join our Telegram channel, do well to use the link in the description. Make sure you like this video and do well to hit on the subscribe button, turn on post notification so you get notified once a new video is up. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.